Hi guys, I am going to show you how to draw a picture with some leaves. So here's an idea that you could do. Maybe you have leaves in your backyard and you want to go get some and put them underneath paper and just color away and watch the print come alive. Maybe you want to do that and then you want to write "Love Fall" on it. Maybe you want to do the same thing, put some leaves underneath your paper, color to show the imprint, and then maybe you want to in cursive write "Happy Fall." It's totally up to you, boys and girls, how you want to do it, but I'm going to show you how to draw some leaves. You know, first, I would start about at the bottom of your paper. I would draw a stem up. And maybe like a teardrop. There's a leaf. And then I might draw, here's another leaf, another leaf. Here's another leaf, another leaf. I try to make them a little bigger as you go down. You don't have to, but you can. And, you know, maybe I'd just kind of draw a line. Like in the one I showed you at the beginning, I had more pointed. So if you'd rather have pointed on the ends, that's okay. If you want it more rounded, a little softer look, that's up to you. Then I'm going to draw a lemon shape this way. And a little stem at the end, line, couple of V's, maybe over here another lemon shape with a little stem at the end, line, couple of V's, maybe this guy, I might draw a line coming up like this, couple of veins in the leaves, and then I might kind of just make it a little there's no right or wrong, boys and girls. And you always have your eraser. And all leaves are kind of different, so that's cool. When I'm happy with my leaves, I'm going to take my crayon or my thin marker. I'm just going to go over all of my leaves. It doesn't have to be symmetrical. In fact, that gives the leaf character. Erase all those pencil lines. Get rid of those. Goodbye, pencil lines. Alright, and you know what? I think I'm going to take just a couple different colors and I'm going to put a border just around before I color. Here's some orange. Just put a border around it a little bit. Some fall colors, maybe a little green. Doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, that kind of makes it artsy. And then maybe a little red. Alright, now I'm going to add some color to the inside of my leaves. Abracadabra this up. Poof! And there we go, boys and girls. We are all set. Remember, you can use whatever colors you want. You can put more leaves on there. You can put bigger leaves, smaller leaves. It's totally up to you. If you want to go out in your backyard, find some leaves. If they're not all crunchy like they are in my yard, you could go ahead and color on the paper, put the leaves underneath, and it'll show the imprint. You can write Happy Fall. You could write Love Fall. If you happen to have a leaf mold, you could use that too. That's always fun. Here's another example. And thank you so much for listening, boys and girls. I really appreciate it.